In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the WooCommerce REST API. If you're unfamiliar with this feature, enabling the REST API in WooCommerce will allow you to seamlessly integrate your online store with external applications, providing robust and flexible ways to enhance your e-commerce operations. So, let's dive right in and explore how to set this up. First things first, we need to navigate through your WordPress admin dashboard. So, log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're there, look over to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find WooCommerce. Hover over or click on that tab and a menu will drop down. From this list, select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can find various configurations for your WooCommerce store. Once you're on the settings page, you'll see several tabs lined up at the top. We're interested in the Advanced tab for this process, so go ahead and click on it. This section houses many of WooCommerce's more intricate features, allowing for fine-tuned adjustments. Under the Advanced tab, you'll spot the REST API option along the link line. Click on that, and you're set for the next phase. Now, on the REST API page, you'll want to click on the button that says Add Key. Depending on the version of WooCommerce you have, you might see Create an API Key instead, but either will serve the same function. By doing this, you're about to generate a new key pair that will be crucial for securing the integration process. You'll then be prompted to fill out a couple of details to create this new API key. Begin by providing a description. This can be anything that helps you remember what this key is for, especially if you're planning to create multiple integrations or keys in the future. Next, you need to choose a user from your WordPress installation. It's recommended to select an admin user, or you can create a specific API user for enhanced security. This ensures that the key has the necessary permissions to access your store's data. Finally, you will decide on the access level this key should have. You can choose from Read, Write, or Read-SI-Write permissions. Read lets the API view data. Write allows it to make changes, and Read-Write provides both capabilities, so select the one that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selections, click Generate API Key. WooCommerce will then create a consumer key and a consumer secret for you. This key pair is a vital security measure, so it's crucial to copy and store them in a secure location, such as a password manager. You'll need these keys to authenticate any application that connects to your WooCommerce store via the REST API. And there you have it, a straightforward way to enable the WooCommerce REST API. By following these steps, you've equipped your online store with the ability to connect seamlessly with external applications, paving the way for enhanced functionality and better business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.